Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2023 Chevrolet TrailBlazer LS. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 1.3-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a classic backup camera, roof spoiler, we got some nice black trim along this vehicle, some nice silver rims. And moving to the front here, we do get that lovely license plate bracket and that nice Chevy grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You get hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, cargo cubby holes, and storage underneath with a spare tire. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, which is pretty handy. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpeted interior, and plenty of leg room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, automatic driver's window, lights, little storage cubby here, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 54,305 kilometers. We got a digital speedometer right here. Trip 1, 2, fuel range, economy, all that jazz. We got our tire pressure, air filter, distance, units, fuel economy again, eco, all that jazz. And 2, we do get a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, cruise control, collision, voice, toggle free screen, and phone, modes and volumes behind the steering wheel, parking brake, storage, cup holders with your gear select. Got your center console as well with tons of storage, all-wheel drive with drive modes. You do get traction, lane centering, and auto stop, auto start, storage, 12-volt, USB-C, USB, aux, and these little grids right here, which adds a nice clean look. Climate controls right here, rear window defrost, max temp, all that jazz. Little storage here and below. And above us we have our SOS and OnStar services and our nice infotainment system, which has your hazards right here. You have audio, phone, all the usuals, Wi-Fi, OnStar services, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can update your widgets right here. We're going to go into our audio where we have AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got your phone controls right here. You can add and see who's been previously connected. Navigation, if you do your OnStar, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8240, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.